Hey guys, today we're doing a Luv Me Hair 28-inch U-Part wig video. We're doing it from start to finish, and we are going to be installing, we're going to be coloring the unit, as well as curling the unit. So if you want to see all of that, then just stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Walisha, and I would just love to join the crew. You know, hit the little subscribe button down below, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. I have some crazy stuff coming up. I have another install coming up, and I also have like a crazy dope Shein haul coming up. So if you don't want to miss them, then just hit the bell so that you know when they come, because I gotta wait for the stuff to come in the mail. But when it gets here, I'm ready. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much. Keep watching, keep watching. Here we go, here we go. Also, I'm about to look rough. Don't judge me. You see how I look now? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pull it together, okay? We're gonna pull it together, all right? Dang. Okay, y'all, so the hair comes in this cute little purple box. It's holographic, you know, it's real pretty. And you get a little bow on top, and the bow is nice, but it's definitely fake. You know, I tried to take it off. It's got a little ghetto string in the back, but you know, hey, we're gonna rock with it. So when you open it up, you get, let me show y'all again. I thought the box was not pretty. But anyway, you get a little thank you, little note on the top from Miss Helena. I thought that was nice. Thank you, Miss Helena, to get the hair. It felt a little light to me, so you're going to see me, you know, bouncing that guy around. But, yeah. So you get the hair, and you get a flat iron. And it's nice. It goes up to like $2.75 though, so it's not strong enough for me because I'm natural. And you know, when you heat, you get a wig cap. Good for people who actually have a regular wig. You get tweezers, a comb, and then you get the little silk thing that like ties down your edges. So yeah, you get bobby pins and the little Love Me pin clip, which was really nice. And then you get the little elastic band that you use to make your wig tight, and a booklet that like gives you instructions on how to take care of it. Okay, so back to the bag again, back to the hair. This is again what it looks like, very nice. Now the hair comes with a little 28 sticker. That tells you how long it is. Make sure that sticker is right. If it's wrong, send it back, because once you take that off and you go through it and whatever, you're stuck with the hair. So yeah, okay. This is the hair in the net. And I'm about to take it out the net, but you can kind of see like the curls and all that. And then out of the net, this is what it looks like. Yay, it's so pretty. Okay, so, you know, but I wanted to show you guys the spacing because that's what I wanted to see. So, you know, you can see like how much space is in between each track. I'm not going to say anything about this hair. I'm going to let you guys decide. Do you think that's too much space? Baby. Or not? Do you think it's good? So that's the spacing in between all of these tracks. Do you think it's thick enough, or do you wish there was more hair in there? I'm going to leave it up to you. Put it in the comments below. Okay, so this is the hair right here. This is it on a mannequin. I wanted to show you guys the curl pattern and how brown it was. And so we're going to color this hair with watercolor. I'm going to make it black, guys. I like my hair black, black, black. Not kind of black. Not almost black. Kind of black. And then, I mean, really black. And then we want to see if it curls back up afterwards. So let's see. So this is how much hair I lost when I was running my fingers through the hair before I shampooed it. I look kind of crazy, but I had to test it, so, you know. Yeah. Okay, so this is the color combination that I'm going to be using. I'm doing the watercolor method, and we're going to just do that, dip the hair, and we're going to let it air dry because remember, we want to see if these waves are going to come back or not. Okay, y'all, so right here, you're going to see me do the water method. I'm putting the hot water in the bowl, and you're going to see me dipping the hair in the bowl first. Now, I dip the hair in the bowl before I put color in there because it colors better when the hair is completely saturated first. So, I'm going to dip both. I was doing more than one, coloring more than one batch of hair black, so you'll see me do both of them. Dip both of them, make sure they're wet. Now, you're going to see me take the color and put the color in, and then do the other one. I'm showing you guys what it looks like. So put the color in, mix it in, stir it in, stir it in. Now dip that hair back in there, and you're going to use like a spoon and stir it in. I had to get some gloves because I was going to put my hands in there. So dip, 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 lift it up, move it around, squish it around, dip, dip, dip. Put more color as you feel that you need it, and then, you know, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. I do anyway, because I like mine super black. I want any browns. And then that's really it. You're done. And also make sure you use an old towel, guys.
Close up, just so you can see. It's not brown now. This is black. See how that black looks? Nice and shiny. Now, the question is, the waves, are they going to be back like they were, or are they going to be like these? Ugh. Let's see.
So this is the hair after you air dry it, and quite honestly, I'm not feeling it, so we're going to crimp it. Yeah. Okay, so when I crimp, I don't put anything in the hair. The hair is just freshly shampooed. I like to keep my hair soft, so I just start crimping, and I do as many sections as possible. I do sections because I want the hair to look full and thick. So I would recommend, you know, breaking it up as much as you can so that way you have nice, full, bouncy hair. Yeah, this is a quick tutorial though. I'm not really showing how to do it all. If you guys want to see how I really like in depth do a crimp video, I can give you guys a tutorial. Just let me know. Okay. Not pretty now, right? Look at it. Like, ooh, waves is popping. Period. Okay, so I'm natural, guys, so excuse my hair, but I'm just showing you guys how I put the hair in 2 big braids. Just do 2 big braids, put it in a ponytail, and then that's it. Now we're going to flat iron it.
Okay, so the only thing I'm going to be spraying in my hair is this. Heat protectant, that's it. I don't really like product in my hair, so this is it. In my weave, nothing. Like, nothing. Okay, so now we flat iron this front part right? And I'm going to crimp it real quick because I already crimped the wig. So let me go get my crimp real quick, my crimp iron. I'm just going to do a real quick little just enough to blend it because I'm not really wearing this wig for long. I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to put on. And then I'm going to save it probably for like my birthday because I came a long way. It's my birthday. And for regular, everyday life. I think I'm almost straight here. Some more of it straight with. But I just want you to see I'm going to be ready today. Okay? And it's that easy. And that part is dope. So let me go get the crimper operated. Okay, so we got the wig. Remember, I had to crimp it. Because in the waves, just go. I'll show you what it look like. Well, first of all, you gotta cut the little straps off. Those don't stay off. Please don't keep them on. I know back in the day they used to keep them on, but now these some old hair scissors. Otherwise, I would never use hair over. We're about to move the hair over. Try to do this on camera. And try to just fit the clips in the slot. And boom, right? Now, I can still see right here, so I'm just gonna keep playing with it until it looks blended and natural. And then I'm gonna take some grease, just a little bit, and put it on my real hair so that it will finish it off. We're gonna do these baby hairs real quick. Let me do that, and I'll be right back because I'm killing my time. I only got 15 minutes. See, if y'all want to be able to have more time with me, I need you guys to subscribe because apparently YouTube don't care what I got to say. Okay, they give me 15 minutes to say what I got to say, and that's that on it. Okay, so if you want these videos to be longer, baby, hit that button, please. Golly, I mean, Dang. Anyway, let me go do these edges. I'll be back. And I'm going to change my shirt. And we're going to talk about this hair. I'm trying to show y'all on my good camera, but it's not working. So let me go get my old one. It might be a little fuzzy, but y'all gonna see this whole thing. So I'll be right back. So we have colored this hair. We colored it jet black, and we put the wig on. This hair does shed. That's a fact. It sheds, and it's something I did not expect, and I didn't want to happen. But it does shed. You know, another thing about this hair is that it's pretty thin, in my opinion. This is the U-Part wig, and this is the hair crimped. So when the hair is not crimped, how do I feel about the curl pattern? Does it curl back? No, honey, no. So you might want to wear it when you first get it out of the package if you like it like that. Because if you want it like this, you have to crimp it, period. When you wash it, once you wash it one good time, and you condition it one good time, and you let that guy air dry, because I let it air dry. I didn't even manipulate the curl. I barely towel dried it, okay? And it still was almost straight. So I don't know what they do. This is supposed to be body wave. I recommend getting an actual curl if you want something curly, but body wave did nothing, okay? It seems to be doing good when it comes to holding a curl. Like if I get close, you know what I'm saying? Seems to be doing all right. So the crimps are staying in pretty good. That's what's up. It blends pretty good with my natural hair. You know, it's only 3 clips. About the 3 clips, I don't feel like they're very secure. So I would recommend sewing the unit down if you want it to be secure. What are the pros? The pros are this hair moves very well. Look at it. You know, you can definitely be that girl if you want to be her. You know what I'm saying? It does not tangle. That part I can give it. It doesn't tangle. Now, right now, it seems to be doing well with the shedding. So what would I recommend? If you're gonna get this hair, because the hair does feel really, really good, and I would say wait, because this is still just my initial review, okay? Let me wear it a little bit so I can tell y'all the truth, because I'm not gonna lie, because again, this wasn't sponsored. Now again, you can feel free to sponsor me, but just know that I will always give my honest review. Please just know that, like, you cannot pay for my opinion. You're gonna get the truth. I have to give the truth. And the reason why I have to give the truth is because I've been watching YouTube for a long time. And I've been buying from a lot of hair companies based off of people's reviews. And to be very honest, some of those hair companies that I bought from after the review that I got was not the hair that I expected. And that was so disappointing. And so I can't be that person. I will not be that person, okay? Just because you say you want to sponsor me. No, the hair has to really be what I'm claiming it to be, or else, okay? So, do I recommend this hair to people? If the price is right, yeah, I'd say do it. I recommend you get bundles, okay? Seal the wefts on the top. And then if you seal the wefts on the top, you don't have to deal with shedding, because the hair itself is beautiful. Very nice. I'm going to be taking this one off until my birthday. So this will be my birthday hair. But until next time, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
subscribe.